So the Regina Airport has partnered with SaskEnergy to essentially put in a new device here at the Regina Airport as the first building in the province to help reduce the carbon emissions coming from natural gas consumption. The company that we've all partnered with is called Clean02, and the product they put into our airport is called a CarbinX carbon capture device, which now happily lives in our boiler room. This device helps reduce carbon emissions by sipping from the waste exhaust gas and putting it through a filter system, allowing us to actually create a carbon sheet. With the implementation of the CarbinX technology, we're likely going to see a 5 to 7% reduction in natural gas usage here in the terminal building. Obviously, it'll be reviewed and audited over the first 6 months. And the waste byproduct, which is really sheets of carbon that are being captured rather than going into the atmosphere, we can actually convert that, believe it or not, into products like soap. By helping reduce the carbon emissions, we'll hopefully get a better smelling airport crew and certainly be giving some of this to the community as well.
It's a pilot project. We want to try and test and prove that this technology will work here in Saskatchewan. And that's why we're going to have a third party who's actually going to be verifying on this project of what actually is being captured, the amount of carbon that is actually being captured, and the type of savings that can be there for customers. SaskEnergy has been involved in doing energy efficiency projects and helping customers, residential and commercial customers, and have got a long track record with that. And this is just that next stage that we're trying to be able to help our customers, and also in achieving their own environmental goals that they want to do. And the interesting piece about utilizing this technology is that not only is it capturing the CO2 emissions, you actually use less natural gas to it. So you got better environmental, you're using less natural gas, so they're gaining some efficiencies on that piece. So there's a lot to be gained by the airport by utilizing this technology.
Regina Airport thanks the province of Saskatchewan, certainly SaskEnergy, for this wonderful partnership. But this is where we will say we're going to go further. This is a step in the right direction. We continue to reduce our electrical consumption as well. Natural gas is a focus, but we're looking for lots of ways to reduce carbon emissions while not compromising safety, security, or growth.
This is the beginning. As you see how technology changes, I see this being the beginning of something that's going to be a more long sustainable piece for environmental purposes. And that's where I'm really excited about this as being a start. What are the next iterations that are going to come through? Can you see how homes having this on their systems to help out on the environmental piece? That's what's getting really exciting.
The technology was straightforward to implement. It has a very obvious return on investment. It's ready to use, it's reasonably affordable, and it will help other businesses, we hope, consider carbon reductions for their natural gas usage as they see fit.